Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of crypto and exploring a concept that's got a lot of people buzzing: passive income. That's right, who wouldn't want their crypto working for them even while they sleep? In this video, we'll break down some of the popular methods for generating passive income with cryptocurrency and of course, discuss the risks involved. So whether you're a crypto veteran or just getting started, this video will equip you with the knowledge to navigate this exciting new frontier. Let's kick things off with staking. Imagine this: you lock up your crypto for a period, similar to putting money in a bank. But instead of measly interest rates, you earn rewards for helping secure a blockchain network. That's staking in a nutshell. Another strategy is crypto lending. Platforms act as middlemen, connecting borrowers with lenders like yourself. You supply your crypto and the platform matches you with borrowers willing to pay interest. It's a win-win. You earn passive income and borrowers get access to crypto they might not have otherwise. Now, this one's a bit more complex, but potentially high reward. Yield farming involves depositing your crypto into liquidity pools, which are essentially digital ecosystems that facilitate crypto trading. By providing liquidity, you earn a portion of the trading fees. Before we dive any deeper, let's address the elephant in the room: risk. The crypto market is volatile, and some passive income methods involve locking up your crypto for a set time. So, do your research, choose established platforms, and only invest what you can afford to lose. The world of crypto passive income offers exciting possibilities. From staking and lending to yield farming, there's a strategy for almost everyone. But remember, always prioritize research, understand the risks, and choose methods that align with your investment goals. If you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments what other crypto topics you'd like to see covered. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on navigating the exciting world of digital assets. Thanks for watching.